Hello and welcome to TechEge Mobile. This time I'm checking out a bit bigger screens and MultiTouch screen. And I'm here at the headquarters of MultiTouch in Finland.
Yep, welcome.
And he's Tommy Ilmonen, and he's going to show you a bit around the new MultiTouch Cell. Actually, we have two cells over here. So
yep.
We have 40.
These are 46-inch models,
Okay.
so it's 46 inches diagonal, 1 meter width, 60 centimeters height.
Okay.
Per unit.
And these are two units, but actually they talk to them.
Yep, so we have a computer running in the background which is using these two as one single unit basically.
Yep.
One single display.
So you can use it as a module or actually combine as many as you want to have a really big wall of MultiTouch.
Yeah, exactly. That's the idea.
And the application we are right now using is for previewing pictures. And can you show me around?
Yeah. So a basic idea is that this is a sort of a timeline application. For this one, right now, a few minutes ago, I downloaded pictures from Flickr, just using scripts with a keyword gadget. And we can of course zoom in and out in this timeline, so when there is something interesting here, for example, we can have a bit more look over there. What's going on? Mouse, not very interesting. Well, there's something more. Mobile phones and so on.
Okay, so you can.
And then you can zoom out again, a bit of an overview. What kind of pictures people have been taking.
Okay. And basic manipulation is rotating and zooming in and out, throwing them away, throwing. Oh,
yeah, now we can.
And we
start
can
to
do
play
it
the
together.
phones.
Oh, that's nice. So it doesn't really matter if there is many or just one user at the same time.
Yeah, well, that's one of the ideas is that this is really meant to be a multi-user system. So several people could be using this at the same time, and
this is really nice.
and that's why the multi-touch really is important when you have multiple users there.
This looks like on my desktop. No, it's not. Good. So the applications, where are you targeting these walls? Is it for showrooms?
Showrooms are one thing. Then there's digital signage, trade shows. Public information systems, like for example museums, museums that have large visual collections of material, videos, pictures, and so on.
Okay, so we can see videos on that too. So
yep, I'll bring up the application with the videos after this one.
Okay, so start it up. Let's play that. What about the applications? You have an SDK available?
Yep. So basically, in a way, we are a software company, but we also happen to do hardware because nobody else does it for us. So we have software that you can use to create these applications, and then they can run on this type of a big displays. And the idea is that you have a fairly flexible tool chain so that you can write applications that can run, let's say, on small 30-inch displays, even smaller than that.
Okay.
Or then these bigger displays, then you can stack these, put side by side. You can do 20 displays if you want. It's just a.
And you also do custom software if needed.
Yep. So this, for example, is something that's been requested by a customer. So we are sending one of these boxes over to one of our first customers in Scandinavia, and we're asking for this software, so we're providing this for them.
Cool. So show me some other softwares you have.
Okay, just a second. Okay, so this one is again quite a lot about media, but the approach is a bit different. So here is the pictures and videos are organized in this sort of collections, we call canvases here. And the idea is, of course, that then you can, for example, there's the elephant stream playing back in high resolution version.
Okay, so we are playing high-def video right now and still playing with it. That's nice.
Well, let's put a few more of these to play.
Oh.
Just so that you know.
It's capable. That's cool.
And by the way, there are the previews running on the side panel.
Okay, that's really nice. So it's capable of doing HD on multiple windows and also lets people to check out their own stuff on their smaller screens. That's really nice. Yeah. It works.
Yes, and let's see with the stop some videos for the time being. Oh, go here. One of the things we have is since this is based on LCD and full high definition panels, we have a lot more resolution and image quality than what the traditional, let's say, projector-based multitouch systems have. So right now in these pictures, you can, for example, see that the black is really black.
Yeah.
You can call it black, and it's not some dull gray, which you
the resolution is totally different.
You can actually see the images, and then of course also the color quality is a lot better. Stability is better. Something a lot of our customers are interested in is this long durability, because projectors, every few thousand hours you have to change the bulbs.
Yeah.
But with LCDs we can get to lifetimes of something like 50,000 hours, which is 6 years of use non-stop.
Yeah, I could imagine you can do even better when the LCDs are better. So you are right now scaling on the price versus quality, I guess.
Yeah, well, we are already creating our own custom backlights for these.
Okay.
So it's not the standard hues that you would get with most of the LCD televisions or LCD backlights, but it's based on white LEDs, which gives it a lot more durability. And it also means that it's transport-wise a lot better. It's a very solid block that you can put into a box and then ship around.
That's really nice. Did you have another software? I think that's it.
Well, we have the very standard drawing software, but that's something that pretty much everybody has. So
yeah.
I don't know if we really need to show that.
Yeah. So the main difference here is that it has long durability. I read something that it actually looks your hand, so it knows that you are two different hands or people, not just dots on the screen.
That's true, yeah. That's one of the interaction-wise quite an important point. We can have many people playing around, and it does not confuse the hands.
Yeah. It really feels. Actually, it feels really fluid. You just don't need to think what you're doing. It's just doing it, and there's no lag whatsoever on the manipulator. So it is really nice. So on the you're running this now on the normal desktop computer.
Yeah, that's an ordinary Linux PC that we are using. Well, okay, this one has 2 graphics cards, just so that we can run video displays. And everything is running at 60 frames per second. So the cameras are processing the input image at that speed, and then all the application is running there.
And this is starting, the smaller screen is starting from $7,000, like
yeah, it's around $7,000.
Okay.
We start from the 32-inch models.
Yeah. So that's not even that costly if you think about how cool the effect this is. So I think it's really nice, especially as it's nice to use, not just something that needs to be learned or think about.
Yeah, we've been doing this since last year. I think it was us built the first outdoor public multitouch installation in Helsinki. And there already we started with this idea. There are many users, very long learning curve, so you can have people come in, and the design is aimed so that they can learn the system in, let's say, 5 seconds.
This is really cool. This way. This is nice, yeah. It's looking good. Good. So you have practiced this over here now, so it looks really solid. It's no gimmicks and easy to use. So I think it's really nice thing. Hopefully you sell nicely. Thanks for that interview and
thanks for coming.
This was cool. So
more stuff at tkkmobile.com.
I think next stuff will be a little bit smaller than this one, but this was cool. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.